Beautifully designed, thoughtfully engineered, BDI Media Furniture seamlessly integrates technology into your home, anywhere that you entertain. Whether you have a complete entertainment system or are simply looking for a home for a flat panel TV, BDI Furniture provides flexibility and accessibility, allowing your system to easily change as your needs do. Beautiful in design to be sure, but it's hidden features that make BDI Media Furniture unique. Hidden wheels in the legs of many cabinets allow you to easily move the entire system for access to the rear components, modifications, and cleaning. Easy access panels mean no more struggling to reach cables and equipment. Integrated cable management provides channels and ties to keep everything organized. Included safety straps secure your TV, protecting your equipment and preventing accidents. Generous cutouts in the bottom, back, and shelves of cabinets allow heat from components to escape. At every turn, attention to detail is revealed, right down to the vibration dampening pins and the highly adjustable shelves that can be positioned to meet the varying needs of your electronics. Remote-friendly doors provide control of components while keeping them neatly out of sight. Select models include a soundbar or speaker shelf, providing proper sound dispersion for the ultimate home theater and music experience. Your BDI Media Furniture will perform just as well as the components it holds. Find your BDI style. Visit BDIUSA.com for a retailer near you.
Warm and inviting atmosphere in your home with the Ultra Flame Farmington electric fireplace TV stand for up to 50-inch TVs. The Farmington TV stand fireplace includes a remote-controlled 23-inch wide electric fireplace insert that gives a realistic glow of a wood-burning flame without all the cleanup and work of a wood-burning fireplace. This fireplace will heat up a room up to 400 square feet to the perfect temperature from 72 to 82 degrees, or use it to create a relaxing ambiance with its multiple light settings, keeping the heat turned off. The LED light source boasts up to 50,000 hours of life for a fireplace that will last for years to come and no bulb replacement. This TV stand is built to accommodate flat panel TVs up to 50 inches wide and up to 55 pounds. The larger 60-inch version can accommodate flat panel TVs up to 60 inches wide and up to 95 pounds. The Farmington stand also includes two side cabinets that conceal two storage shelves and a large open divided shelf for your cable box, DVD player, or gaming system. Assembly is required upon delivery. The rustic weathered finish comes in dark or light pine, emulating an old wooden barn, giving this piece a cozy, rustic feel, and coordinates well for an eclectic, stylish look with your current decor.